So I've just checked into what's personally my favorite Disney resort, and I've stayed at every level all the way up to the deluxe level, but the Disney Port Orleans French Quarter is a moderate resort, so it's actually one step below the deluxe level. But for whatever reason, and I'll show you some of the reasons why, but this still is my favorite place to stay whenever I'm at Disney World. One thing I can show you right now, almost from my room, you don't really get a great view from here, but you could see that little river slash bayou. I'll go over and show you later, but there's a boat over there that you could take completely free. It'll take you right over to Disney Springs, so it's like an alternate way of transportation, literally a stone's throw from my room. The other thing I love about this resort too is that all the buildings are pretty close together. If you need to get to like food service, the lobby, the gift shop, that whole area, the pool, everything's a really close walk, whereas some other resorts are more spread out. Like when we stayed at Animal Kingdom Lodge, there was sometimes we were walking a lot further to get from place to place if we wanted to go to the pool or something like that. And now let me show you the room. So these have all been remodeled and redecorated. When I first used to come here, they didn't have all this art from The Princess and the Frog. That movie might not have even been out yet. I'm trying to think what year it came out, but either way, you got like a little breakfast nook area right here. If you wanted to get room service and sit down there and eat, whatever. There's a hook right here. I already put my backpack on this, but whatever you want to put, jacket. Got 2 queen size beds here. When you check in, they put the towels, kind of like on a cruise ship, how they decorate everything. Let me turn on all the lights quick. So the other thing you'll notice, this is all the Disney resorts. They'll put your name on the TV, and they all have their own little music that plays if it's just on the main screen. That's just how it is at Disney. I'll say this, it's nice and cool in here. Even though the temperature's set to 74, it feels much cooler than that, and I'm not complaining there. Bathroom's pretty spacious. They got all this space for you to put anything you want. There's an ironing board there, hair dryer, plenty of hangers and space to hang things. There's a safe for any valuables. There's an extra pillow and blanket. And then you have the main bathroom, shower. Nothing too crazy fancy here, but it's nice enough. It'll do the job. And that's it. So that's the little room tour that you get at the Port Orleans French Quarter. Let me know in the comments, where's your favorite resort to stay whenever you go to Disney World. So yeah, I'm pretty hungry right now. I'm going to walk over and get something to eat. But in the meantime, I'm just enjoying the layout of this resort. The thing I love about this, I've been to New Orleans now. I'm not going to sit here and say it's a one-for-one replica, but it gets the vibe of being in a very unique city like New Orleans is. Coming and staying at this resort a bunch of times in my life is part of the reason that really made me want to go check out New Orleans in the first place, and I absolutely loved it there. I have another video on my channel where I break down my experiences in New Orleans if you want to check that out. But in the meantime, I'm just strolling by. On my right, I see the pool. We're going to walk by that real quick just so I could show you what it looks like. I'm definitely going to need to go in the pool after I get something to eat because it is really hot out here today. But I do want to go to Disney Springs before it gets dark out, so I'm going to try to bang everything out pretty quick. Starting with, I'll show you guys the hot tub. I'll show you guys where to get some food from around here. And then we'll take the boat over to Disney Springs. This is a mess waiting to happen, but as you can see, I always order everything to go, even if I'm staying, because this way if I want to leave, I can leave with it. But one thing is, they give you dipping sauce, so you do some options. It's actually better without it. I'm a mess. I'm a fool. They also have an ice cream sundae where they put like soft serve vanilla ice cream and whatever toppings you want on top of hot vanillas. That's unbelievable too. Now that I'm covered in sugar, one last thing to show you is the boat ride, the free boat ride to Disney Springs. That's going to conclude my tour of Port Orleans French Quarters. Oh, also look, I got an iced latte. Perfect. Just so you can see what the pool area looks like. We got this guy here. When I was a kid, I used to go on that slide over there that they had. That was a lot of fun. But yeah, it's a cool area. Somewhere I'm gonna find it with a hot tub kiss. While I'm at it, I'll just show you the boat over here. That's the boat right there that'll take you right over to Disney Springs, or it'll take you over to the other side of the Port Orleans Resort, which is the Riverside Resort, which is much bigger. Check this out. It's kind of cool that they have an option for just a normal, like non-Disney themed shirt. Just this nice Lacoste polo. Because let's say you forgot to bring a collared shirt and you do have a plan to get a nice dinner somewhere and you don't necessarily want it to be all Disneyed out, you do have the option to grab that. That's kind of cool. I like the Mickey hat and this Walt Disney World hat. I even don't know if I like the navy blue Mickey or the canvas Mickey better. That concludes the tour of the Jackson Hole gift shop. Let's see what else we got. This is the main lobby right here. So if you were gonna check in, I checked in with my phone, and they have an arcade in here. If you're an arcade guy, or your kids are into arcade games, they have a pretty cool little arcade in here. It's actually not even that smart. Pretty big arcade. As far as hotel arcades are concerned, this is a pretty big. So this is where you want to go. It's called Scat Cat's Club Cafe. That's where you want to go if you want to go to beignets. And they got good coffee in there too. For a line, you can get like cappuccino, latte, beignets, which I'm gonna be getting in a little bit. And then if you need to fix anything, add sugar, milk, it's all out here. Sasagula, Floatworks and Food Factory. This is just the main area where you get any kind of food. Like they got pizza, Parmesan fries, caprese chicken sandwich, muffaletta burger, never seen that. Pulled pork sandwich, Mardi Gras king cake, Mickey shaped peanut butter brownie. They got all kinds of food over here, guys. You can get like just chicken fingers, whatever. You got all these Coca-Cola freestyle machines, but then you also have an area where you get hot cocoa. And this is usually coffee. That needs frozen. You could wash the mug right here. So here's like the coffee area. But yeah, that's basically it. You've seen everything there is to see. Let me know in the comments which resort I should check out next time. Hit the like button if you enjoyed watching this, and subscribe to my channel to see more hotel reviews. And that's it.